This is how my dealer installed extra hydraulics. In the upper are the original extra hydraulics, and I have more connections there. It's on the T25, and the extra hydraulics are controlled with the joystick. Here at the front there is a lever. Now you control the back hydraulics with the joystick, and now the front loader. They connected this tube that normally goes to those connections. They connected to this side. This one is the second, let's see, yeah, the second connection here. So this one, so that one goes here, and then the third one, that one goes here. And originally the white and green goes to these two connections. And let's see, here there's a T for the extra hydraulics, and here is also an extra T for the hydraulics at the back. So a very nice setup. They mounted this one with the same bolts as the outer plate here, and at the back they welded a plate onto the top link connector to make a good mounting plate there. So a very nice setup, really happy with it. And on the bottom you also have those two that go to the back.